Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another reaction channel with me, Kemari Reaction. Hi! Welcome back, you guys. So I'm back again with another reaction to the Impact group K-Clique. Clique. It's like where? K-Clique. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. But this is the music video to their song Mimpi featuring Alif. So I'm curious to see what these guys will give me. The first song I listened to was Sa. Ooh, what was the song? It was Sa Something Say Too, and I like it. I really do like it. I like this group. I think they're very talented at what they do, and I like the flow from that music video that I react to. That they were able to feed off each other. So K-Clique is a group that I'm enjoying. I'm through with the visuals. Oh God, take me back home.
Betul-betul macam mimpi, banyak sudah kulihat, semuanya ku ingat. Datang macam reality, dulu kini berbeza, macam dalam fantasi. Aku tak
that deep voice.
Rasanya menarik, biar kerja bawah terik dulu, kerja habis tarik hasil untuk ujung tarik.
Aku semalam termimpi, she neon know I see me. She plays Sin City, love her safe, she's next to me. Aku ride around white fever, oh yes I tease her.
I'm through 6'5".
I need you, give style, love is the
agak shock. Jadi aku layan, aku jadi shock. Shock macam mimpi, jadi aku terus lock.
Whoever's edited this video with these transitions, love it. Come on, dirt bike. Oh, taking me back to college. That's a clean ass. That street is very clean. Oh, I would never. Oh, I would never jump in the water like that. Not me. Ooh. Who's that? Oh, that's my one on the boat. I threw up. Oops. Hey. Who is that?
Banyak drama, wow. Terima kasih, tak kejar nama, wow. Tapi kayak dikejar.
They really do. I think, to me, I think they flow nicely off each other.
Jadi biar gerakku jadi sejarah. Dulu cakap G, kau tak akan kemana. Aku tanya G,
oh, and he's tall.
Pandang rendah G, sekarang siapa gila? Jangan bilang G, kita ni kawan lama.
Come on, Alif. Come through with the vocals. Oh, there go my blondie.
Kalau dulu duduk belakang, sekarang nak sapu rata. Kalau dulu beli tiket, sekarang panggung kita punya. Itu dulu lain macam cara kerja lain, salam lain macam-macam salam lain, kerja cara lain.
Oh my God, this is so getting me back home to Jamaica flashbacks. Come through here. Clean waters. Take me back to Jamaica with this clean water.
Hidup aku bagai mimpi, hidup aku bagai mimpi, hidup aku bagai mimpi, hidup aku bagai
mimpi.
Sudah kulihat,
oh, that song.
Semuanya ku ingat. Hidup aku bagai mimpi, hidup aku bagai mimpi, betul-betul macam mimpi. Banyak sudah kulihat. Semuanya ku ingat.
Okay, K-Clique, y'all got a fan. Consider me a fan. Consider me to be a fan. And okay, K-Clique, K-Clique, K-Clique. Consider me and Pop. You guys got me. I do like Dollar, and I do like Dollar, so I'm becoming a fan of them. I do like K-Clique, so consider me being a fan to the M-Pop team. Okay. They really do sound really good together. They really do sound really good together. Maybe I do need to react to a live version to see how they perform live. Hopefully their performance live give me the same energy. If not, consider me no longer a fan. But that was K-Clique, Mimpi. I really do like it. You know, this is a family fun channel, kids watch. So I'm not gonna say anything inappropriate, but whew, they look good. Thanks to the ones who recommend me react to this group. I really do appreciate it. I will say it over and over again. I'm happy to see the M-Pop and P-Pop out there because the K-Pop is taking over, literally. So I'm happy to see them out there, and I'm happy that I started this channel. I will say it over and over. I'm gonna say it in every video. I'm really happy that I started this channel because it was getting to the point I was getting so bored of listening to the American radio, and that's that's saying a lot because I refuse to turn on the radio to listen to what they have on it. So I'm happy I started this channel, which basically opened my horizon, I guess, broadened my scale, I guess. Listen to other artists and other upcoming groups out there. So I really do appreciate it. So thanks to everyone who's leaving suggestions for me to react to. I really do appreciate it. You guys made my coronavirus pandemic ism very good. So I really do appreciate it. So whatever else you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and get to it in the spot. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.